In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate the brightness of your dimmer using automatic and manual methods. First, ensure the orb dimmer is connected to the lights and paired with Wi-Fi through the eWeLink app. Let's start with automatic calibration. In the eWeLink app, tap Automatic Calibration. The device will automatically adjust to an optimal brightness range. You can also start automatic calibration by pressing and holding the device button for more than 10 seconds, until the LED indicator enters breathing mode. If you need more precise and stable brightness control, you can use manual calibration. In the eWeLink app, tap Manual Calibration. Select a suitable minimum brightness and tap Next. Then select the maximum brightness and tap Save. If the light has been calibrated but still doesn't perform as expected, try the following adjustments. If the light flickers or turns off at low brightness, you can appropriately increase the minimum brightness setting during manual calibration. If the light is too bright even at the lowest brightness, you can appropriately decrease the minimum brightness during manual calibration. If there's no change in brightness at higher settings, you can decrease the maximum brightness setting until the light becomes stable. That's it. With these steps, you can easily calibrate your dimmer for the best lighting experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.